Hi buddies, back with another tutorial. Today we will see how to blend two images very quickly and easily. Let's get started. My name is Ramesh and you are watching Pixoframes. So that's an image downloaded from Unsplash.com. Putting another image on it, adjust the size and change its blending mode to screen. Now create layer mask. Take brush tool that should be black, soft round, opacity 100%, flow 50%. Adjust the size of the brush by bracket keys on your keyboard and start masking on the board and the waves. So this is how it looks. Hope you like the tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon with another tutorial.